Crippling Depression and YAHOO.
Here they go.
This is going to be a rough one.
Oh my goodness. Sparks are flying. Wow. Woo! These are some intense hits.
Yeah.
There's a lot of force. Ooh, that's a brand new scratch.
You notice that when they take a turn like that, it lifts up off the ground. That's because the rotations on the front of that are going so fast that it wants to fly.
Wow.
Wow.
I don't know if you at home can hear this through the microphones, but it sounds like a jet engine is taking off behind us right now every time that drum spins up. Wow. My goodness.
I believe that is Rob's robot.
Ah.
Oh, wow. Whoa.
That is a chunk of robot lost in the arena.
Oh, my.
The destruction, the mayhem.
The humanity. The humanity.
The robot manity. Woo!
My.
Oh. Oh no.
Is it rolling up again?
They are counting down. The bot is stuck. Oh, there was move. Oh, it's trying. Oh!
Oh, wow.
That was quite the competition. I think that may have been our longest one yet.
Yep.
We're well-pitted bots. So that was, again, Crippling Depression in YAHOO.
Blue, if you're ready, hit the button. All right, you guys ready? Yep. All right, hit the button. Here we go! 3, 2, 1, fight! 2 minutes of bunk fest, please, somebody die. Crippling Depression, can you move?
Just keep moving, don't touch it, keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
AVC. It's taken over.
Fight is on.
Here we go.
Ooh. These are angry sounding bots.
Yeah.
The bots out for revenge from their last battles. Ooh.
The enclosures on these are so hard that it's hard to get some vulnerable spots to hit. Sparks are flying.
Let's keep on going. These bots are pitted well against each
Yeah.
other.
Right size. Wow. I don't know how they're going to gauge this one if it runs all 3 minutes. Oh, wow.
Now we're getting the sparks.
Yeah, that floor is getting torn up. Oh, we might have some wheels down there.
and
Oh.
here we go.
Whoa.
That is smoke
Looks
spewing.
like Crippling Depression
Yep.
took it out.
We have possibly just watched the end of a bot. And there's the other one spinning in celebration.
Wow.
It's going to be a real nice smell coming at us here
Yep.
momentarily.
All right, if you're ready, hit the button. All right, we go in 3, 2, 1, right.
I was just going to leave these clips alone when I edited this video and not really have any audio or commentary, but when I was editing I realized that it's kind of weird and creepy just to have them completely silent and alone, so here I am adding no real commentary to it. It's just really cool to see this stuff in slow motion and see the forces that are involved when so much metal that's spinning at such a high speed collides with one another. Overall, I was really happy with how composed Crippling Depression is after taking some of these big hits. It's really interesting that you can see beam is still kind of flailing around, and in many cases it's even still up in the air when Crippling Depression has all 4 tires on the ground and is even moving towards. So I was really happy with overall how the design worked in being able to recover quickly from some of these hits. This is probably one of the favorite things that I've ever filmed. It's really cool to just see the amount of kinetic energy being unleashed when these two bots come together, and just the amount of sparks and how they frame out the robot is really cool.
I hear
All
the
right.
judges calling. You can see in the right-hand corner the timer blinking.
And we're off. You can hear weapons spinning up.
Yep,
Oh,
there
and
goes the top.
Yep, there goes Rob's weapon. Crippling Depression's weapon straight away.
Am I mistaken, or is it half there?
Oh no, that wasn't his.
That's Beam's?
Yeah, that was
That's not-
Beam's weapon.
Sorry, that's not Beam. That is Born
Yep.
Ironsides.
Oh, yeah, thank you. I was wondering about
No,
that.
Yep.
I'm so sorry.
looks
Born
like-
Ironsides, Utah State.
Yep, that was
Wow.
a quick finish.
That was
Oh
quick.
my
Yep.
gosh.
Well, we have one more fight.
right.
They have 30 minutes to
Yep, the
prepare.
judges just yelled at Robert that he has 30 minutes to rebuild Crippling Depression
Yeah.
before the final. All right, and we're going to cut that short because an amazing turnaround time by Crippling Depression. We are ready to go.
That's right. It
We've
looks
got
like
both
they're
bots
all
in the
loaded
big
up.
arena.
Yep. Versus lots of margin.
Yeah, that's
Lots
right.
of margin. All right, our competitors are ready.
Yeah.
This is it. This is-
There's the team.
3, 2, 1, and go.
Fight.
All right, let's see
Here we
They
go.
got some contact already.
Yep.
This is going to be a good final
Yeah.
if we get lucky.
Interesting. Crippling Depression pressing into him.
Uh,
But it looks like that.
He's too low.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
No.
No.
Oh, was that
Oh, no way.
it? Knockout?
Come on, guys. Tell me you've got
No.
control.
Nope, he's,
No, we're seeing
I
him.
can see him. He's
Wow.
playing with the controls,
He's
but
trying everything.
I don't see anything happening.
Wow.
Wow.
Rob takes it.
Unbelievable.
Oh,
Look
boy,
at
look at
that
that
glee.
smile.
Crippling Depression takes it.
Yeah, I think the